How to extract zip files on Android from WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp and try to open the zip file, but you'll notice it won't open there. So go back. After that, open the File Manager on your mobile phone. When you open File Manager, you will see an option called Phone Storage. Tap on it, and a new screen will appear with multiple folders. Now look for a folder starting with Android and tap on it. After that, you will see different options. Here, click on Media, not Data. Inside the Media folder, look for and open com.whatsapp.w4b. Next, open the WhatsApp folder, then go to Media. After that, open WhatsApp Documents, or the relevant folder based on your file type. Here you will be able to see all the files sent to you, photos, videos, or other media. Now, if your file is in zip format, simply tap on it. You will see an option called Extract All. Tap on it. That's it. Your file will be extracted, and you will see it converted into a normal format like JPG image or other usable files. Now you can easily open and use it like any normal file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.